Hey, what's up you guys? It's J Bunny and welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday. It's a beautiful, nice Saturday here in Miami and really enjoying the day. So let me jump right into it. Today I'm bringing you a Dollar Tree haul. So I have two hauls that I did at Dollar Tree just yesterday and one 2 weeks ago. So this is stuff that was available at my local Dollar Tree the last week of January and the first week of February 2020. And with that, I'm bringing you guys two super cool DIY projects that I totally got inspired to make. One is a living wall piece of art, and it's gonna be made from faux artificial plants from the Dollar Tree. And then the next project is I got inspired by these cool little plastic snakes that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I'm thinking of making a yin and yang type. Sorry, there was this giant hawk flying over me. It was crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna make a yin and yang wall hanging two-piece kind of set, maybe to go in my hallway or to place around the living wall art that I'm making. So I'm really excited about those two projects, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys everything I got at Dollar Tree right now. Also, I like to mention, finally I got like a little glammed up for a video. So today I'm rocking my Versace shades. These are, I got them before actually you could get the lime green in the US. They were only available in Europe, but I saw 2 Chainz wearing them in a commercial and I was like obsessed with them. So I called the Versace store in Miami, and my boy Gino, he hooked it up and he found it in a store in Detroit that had gotten it shipped over from Europe, and they shipped it to me. So shout out to them for that, because these shades are fly. And I'm also wearing some cute red lip gloss that I got off Amazon in a set of 10 different metallic glittery shades, and they're all super cute. So I'll link that down below for you guys. My dress is from ASOS, and I just curled my hair, and yeah. So thanks for joining me, you guys. Please go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because I'm gonna be doing 2 videos a week every week for all of 2020. And I hope that you join me. And you know, YouTube, it's not just enough to subscribe anymore. You have to hit the notification bell too, or they dang hide those new updates from you practically. So go ahead and do that and smash that thumbs up button if you're still watching, and comment down below what you've been getting at Dollar Tree, what you want to get at Dollar Tree, or what you're doing today, and are you living it up and having your best life on the weekend like I feel like I am doing this weekend, enjoying the day here with you guys, crafting and unboxing and YouTubing. Okay guys, so let's get into it. Okay guys, so first things first, this is the haul that I got 2 weeks ago around the end of January 2020, and it's still Valentine's Day themed stuff, but definitely some stuff that I'm gonna use moving forward too. So let's get into it. So the first thing I got was a bag of twine, and it actually came with 3 of these for $1. It wasn't in the crafting section. In the crafting section, they only had a single pack of these for $1, but in the mechanical section with the car stuff, they had a pack of 3 for $1, and it was literally the same string. So little hack, you know, maybe sometimes they're putting smaller stuff in the craft aisle. If they have duplicates elsewhere in the store, you might want to look. Yeah, so the next thing I got was 2 things of ribbon, a pink and a white. I can use these for gifts or crafts or anything like that, so I picked those up. And then the next thing I got was these cute little hearts. They're look like they're little foam pieces with glitter on them, and it comes with 60 pieces in it, so maybe I'll use this for a party coming up. I was gonna decorate for Valentine's Day, but I'm feeling like maybe I'm already moving on to the next holiday, because Valentine's Day is in a week. And yeah, well, I just don't know what I'm gonna use these for yet, but they're really cute and like can be used at any time of the year, not just Valentine's Day. The next thing I got was awesome. It's this glitter glue collection, and it comes with a lot of glue sticks, and this is all for $1, guys. So this is a super great deal. It says it's non-toxic, and it's imported by the USA, made in China, so whatever. It looks really good quality, the same as the Crayola that you'll get for like pay like almost $9 or $10 for this same thing at Walgreens for the Crayola brand. So this is a super great deal. And then the next thing I got was acrylic paint in black and white, because I've been noticing that when I want to do DIY crafts at the house, this is the one thing that I'm constantly missing. You need to cover up things with a little base sometimes, and so I honestly wish my Dollar Tree had more colors than this, but these were the only 2 colors that they had, and these are the basics. So I went ahead and picked up one of each of those. So that whole haul, oh, I also got zipper sandwich bags, which I didn't show here, and I got a drink that I was enjoying that day, a sparkling ice peach nectar. And I did also get a broom. So my total at Dollar Tree that day was 11 items for $11, and my total was $11.77. So then I also went to Dollar Tree yesterday, February the 6th, 2020, and I'm getting stuck for a specific project. I've been looking online. I'll put little info right here, right now, of what I was looking at online. I've been dying to put up more leafage inside my house, but I don't know if I necessarily want to do it with real plants. I do have real plants and artificial plants in my house right now. So what I ended up deciding I was going to do was go to Dollar Tree and pick up some faux artificial plants there to make some living wall art. Well, living, it's really going to be artificial fake succulents. Oh my god, is it raining? So yeah, I went to Dollar Tree, and these can run all the way up to like literally $700 or more. And I spent $41 at Dollar Tree, so I'm really excited. It's gonna be a big savings. Hopefully it turns out super cute. So anyways, let's jump right into it. I got 2 poster boards. Each were $1, and they're really big. Well, not poster boards, like the thick foam board, I guess it is. So I got 2 of those. The next thing I got was some of the Spanish moss. And I got 4 packs of the Spanish moss. I figured this can help give the wall art some texture. Then I went ahead and for the background, I got 16 of these moss plates. So I grabbed 16 of them. I took every single one in the store besides 1 because I just wanted to get an even number. So they only had 17 and I bought 16 of them. Then these were the snakes I was talking about. I saw these and I thought maybe I'll use them in the living wall art piece, green, or I'll paint them using my acrylic paint, 1 in white and 1 in black, and do a separate wall art. So we're gonna wait and see how that goes when I'm arranging the first project. But yeah, I got 2 of those. That was in the toy section. And then I got a bunch of succulents. I cleaned them out on every succulent that they had. They didn't have so many, but I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 of those. So hopefully this makes something super nice. If I need more stuff, I am gonna go to the local Dollar Tree by my house instead of at my job and see if they have anything, but maybe I can make something with what I have. So let's see, and I'm really excited, and I hope you like what I got at Dollar Tree. Again, comment down below what you're buying at Dollar Tree in this February 2020. And if you ever did a project like this, do you have a real living wall decor piece in your house, or do you have one with fake plants, or do you want to get one, and which type? Blah blah blah. Comment down below. I really want to hear about it. And thanks guys for joining me, and follow up for part 2 where we actually do these DIYs. I'll link that down below as well. As soon as those videos are out, you'll be the first one to see them. So have a great day and see you soon.